Hey you guys, Happy New Year! If you saw that thumbnail, by the way, that's my dog Jack. He's 80 pounds, but he thinks he's 10 pounds, and he escaped his barricade in the kitchen to try to come join me on my video, but I pushed him out because today I want to talk about New Year's resolutions. So I love to make New Year's resolutions. I think they're really important, and every year I try to make at least one PKU resolution because I think that it's important to just better your overall health no matter where you're at. So I want to share my 2 resolutions with you this year and hope that you guys can help me stay accountable. And I encourage you to try to think of one yourself. So my first resolution is that I need to continue taking my blood on a more regular basis. Right now, I refuse to take my blood myself, which is kind of embarrassing, but I have a flinching problem. I will flinch away from the needle no matter how many times I try it. So Mr. Hines has to be around to help me take my blood all the time, which is embarrassing. But I need to take it on a more consistent basis. Right now, I kind of take it whenever I feel like. So I am making a resolution that in the year 2018, I take my blood once every single month. My second resolution is to write down everything I'm eating no matter what. Sometimes I tell myself if I eat something and don't write it down that it didn't happen, but that doesn't work. That's not even a thing. So this year, I make a resolution that I'm gonna write down everything I eat every single day in my howmuchfeed.org app, which has saved my life ever since I've started to use it. So I encourage you to share with me your PKU resolutions. I can't wait to hear them. I hope you have a wonderful and healthy 2018. Thanks, see you next time on Thriving with PKU.